Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you about how we apply the dark mode in the YouTube. In the previous video I tell about dark mode of WhatsApp business, YouTube studio, and in this video I will tell you about how we apply the dark mode in the YouTube. So let we start. First we need to open the YouTube. I open the YouTube. When I open the YouTube, then click on here where is our channel pic is present. Our channel pic is seen. So click here. After clicking this, you will go down and here is the setting option is present. So then you click on the setting options, and when you click on the settings option, then you click on the general option here. Then click on this. After clicking on this, here is the option is present, appearance. In the appearance, when we click on this, there are three options are present. Use device theme mean that the theme which is of the device. Light theme mean light mean white color, white theme. When we click on this, here is the light theme of the YouTube. When we click again and click on a dark theme, and in this way the theme is applied dark, or dark mode is applied in the YouTube. You see and go back, and in this way we see all the theme of the YouTube is dark. In this way we can apply the dark mode in the YouTube. So this is the today video. Thank you guys. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so when I upload any video you can see it quickly. Thank you guys.